Hey guys, I want to show you the tools that we're using within our workshops. So we have created the business model generator who will lead you through the process of developing your idea. And you will find all further information to complete the business model generator in the booklet. So for each workshop, we will take one step and work with you from the very beginning of your idea until the founding in the very end. In the first workshop, we will show you how to find the value of your idea. In the second one, we dive a little bit deeper. So we look, for example, at your product. We look, how do you distribute your product? We're going to analyze your competitors and your costs. The third workshop is about testing. So it's also part of this step here. And we will show you the possibilities on how to build a prototype with actually zero money. The fourth one is how you're going to actually sell this product. Yeah, the focus is here on sales, the team, marketing, and funding. Next one is the review part. Actually the pitching, where you really go out. You tell the people what is your idea about and you pitch it and discuss it. And actually the last step is founding. Founding your company, and we will also show you ways how to do it, what to be careful of, and guide you through the whole process.